Welcome to another episode of Nature with Nick. Today we have a special episode planned for you involving the mysterious woodland penguin. Throughout all of history, many creatures have gone extinct, from the dodo bird to the passenger pigeon, and even the Tasmanian tiger. Many mighty beasts have fallen upon the earth. But some creatures' extinctions are more mysterious than others. Amongst these is the woodland penguin. Penguins are flightless birds, usually living in the cold climates of our Earth. But throughout history, legends have persisted about a different type of penguin than you would usually see. It's known as the woodland penguin. It lives in the many woodlands across the world. But the woodland penguin is very elusive, very hard to find. My research to locate the woodland penguin has been painstakingly long. It has taken me hundreds of hours to read up on all the vast historical scripts about the bird. Because it's been gone so long, a lot of modern research upon it does not exist. Scholars have forgotten about this creature, relegating it as a myth. But I am here to rebirth the penguin into the new age. As I have combed through this oversized book, I have discovered another theory about the woodland penguin. This theory suggests that the penguin turned itself invisible in order to evade humans. Humans have been destroying the woodland penguin's habitat for years at the start of the Industrial Revolution. They turned invisible to vanish from the face of the earth. After months of searching for the woodland penguin, I believe to have narrowed down its possible location. I believe that the woodland penguin is in Raleigh, North Carolina. Some say the woodland penguin is dead, but I am on a quest to revive it. We are now in the Shank Forest for the second time in this series. Here we are looking for the elusive myth and conspiracy, the woodland penguin, to prove if I can find it and see if it is real. Hopefully we'll be able to locate it right now. Due to the fact that the woodland penguin is rumored to be invisible, I have brought a handy tool to aid my investigations. This is a thermal imager of the highest quality. Bring the camera in closer to this beautiful machine. You can see just purple and blue indicating cool colors in the forest. Nothing standing out. Using this, I can locate the heat signatures that the invisible penguin may give off. We are approaching one of the first potential penguin holes that I've seen on the trail. To approach it with my thermal imager to see if there's any signatures. Doesn't look like there's anything in this one. This hole looks to be too small for a penguin. It would have to shove its body inside. Just not ideal for it. We'll keep looking. Ferns. The woodland penguin's favorite food. This forest has so many ferns, such abundance for the woodland penguin to feast and grow to massive sizes. They like to just nibble on the little tops, like that. Great nutrition in the fern for them. Really a delicacy for the woodland penguin. Oh my. Another hole has been found. approach slowly. Not looking too promising. So this hole, located at the base of this tree, is much larger and more adequate for a woodland penguin. However, upon closer inspection, it has many cobwebs within it, so nothing's probably been there for a long time. Unfortunately, we'll have to keep searching tirelessly. You never know what you'll find in the Shank Forest. We stumbled upon what looks like an ancient teepee. I have no idea how it was built, but it looked cool, so we decided to film it. I hope you like this ancient teepee. We'll continue hunting for the penguins. So here's another woodland penguin hole. This one also quite large and sizable for a woodland penguin. You may be wondering why the woodland penguin lives in holes to begin with. Due to the legends around the ancient penguin, they live in these holes because humans drove them away. They had to hide away in the ground, abandoning their life of foraging in the open forest. This is the most promising and best looking hole for the woodland penguin yet. If there's any chance in this forest to find one, this is the hole it would live in. This hole is perfect for the woodland penguin. It's very large, right near a source of water, and it even has a fern growing right outside of it. Hopefully I didn't scare away the penguin, but I think we can track it from here with the evidence we have. So as we track this very promising potential woodland penguin, we found our first evidence that it could live. Look right here. The ferns have been nibbled. What else would dare to nibble a fern but the woodland penguin? We also have even more evidence, if you didn't already believe. Some belly slides, where the penguin slid down this embankment on its fat body. Very rare to see such evidence out in the open. I think it may be calling to me. After the promising mudslide evidence, we're getting very, very close to the woodland penguin. I'm keeping my scanner alert at all times for it. I think I see it! Oh my gosh! We're tracking the woodland penguin so close to finding it. Right on the trail. Evidence of the penguin. Its tracks. It somehow left them. Very uncharacteristic. Let's take a look at them right here. Look at it. Flat part of its foot, followed by its two foretoes. Here. More tracks of the penguin. It's going up the trail. That way. We need to keep going to find it. We're so close. These tracks are proof that it lives. After tracking the woodland penguin, I think we may have located its final location just up ahead. It's super close. I think we may have found it. This is legendary. Let's approach. Straight up here. Oh my, there it is, there it is. Oh my gosh, look on the imager. There it is. Oh my, legendary discovery. Oh, not seen in so many years. It's showing off its body for us. Right there. Incredible. Oh, I can't believe it. Just right in front of me, invisible, the penguin. Not seen in over 50 years. I'm shaking due to the excitement. Incredible. Let's look again. Let's look again. Oh. Oh. The penguin. I just can't believe it's been here, letting us see it. So mysterious. Legendary discovery. People may not even believe the footage. It's so good. Oh, I can't believe it. been another long day in the Shank Forest, but we saw what we came to see. The woodland penguin, the legendary creature, mythical in its presence. We finally were able to locate it, proving that it lives. This day is a victory for me. Sadly, this is also my final episode for maybe a long time. It's been a great honor to film these episodes for you all. I hope you've enjoyed the vast nature I've presented before you. Goodbye.
We learned about nature today and had a fun time along the way. Nick said it all was more to say.